Hi, Anna here with Belly Bliss Catering. My first favorite thing in the whole wide world is coffee. Second, ice cream. Put them together and what we have is what's called an affogato, which is an Italian dessert that's super rich and creamy. And today we're making it. Alright guys, here's the finished product. It smells good for one. I am going to dig in and try it. You taste the coffee, you taste the cream, you taste the vanilla gelato, the chocolate, everything. The combination is so wonderful. I hope you guys try it. Until the next time.